Eden's Garden Essential Oils presents Essential Oil Quick Tips. If you're new to aromatherapy or need a quick refresher, here's our top tips for using essential oils like a pro. How to dilute. For a 1% dilution rate, use 6 drops of essential oil plus 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. It's best for facial use, bath use, if pregnant, and nursing. For a 2% dilution rate, use 12 drops of essential oil plus 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. It's best for massage and skincare. For a 3% dilution rate, use 18 drops of essential oil plus 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. It's best for general adult topical use. For a 5 to 10% dilution rate, use 30 to 60 drops of essential oil plus 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. It's best for pain, inflammation, a spot treatment, and making roll-ons. Essential oils with kids. Always dilute to 1%. Do not use essential oils on kids under 2 years old. Diffuse for 15 to 20 minutes at a time around children. If in doubt, use OK for Kids blends and roll-ons to remove the guesswork. Ways to diffuse essential oils. 1. In an essential oil diffuser. 2. With an essential oil inhaler. 3. On a cotton ball placed nearby. 4. In a bowl of salt. 5. In a pot of steaming water. How to make a therapeutic blend. Keep in mind purpose and person. What issue are you trying to address by creating this blend? Who are you blending for and what are their needs, medical history, and aroma preferences? Start researching oils with this in mind. Eden's Garden's Shop by Use feature is a helpful tool. How to make an aromatic blend. A quick rule of thumb for a balanced blend is a blend with 75% middle notes, 20% top notes, and 5% base notes. We list every oil's aroma note on our product pages. You can also use the drop-by-drop technique by adding 1 drop of oil to your blend, pausing to smell, adding another drop based on your aroma preference, and so on. Eden's Garden's Shop by Aroma feature is a helpful tool. Get our free essential oil quick tip guide at edensgarden.com.